What if you got given all your assignments on the first day of uni? You wouldn't do them straight away, would you? No, you'd wait until you needed to do them.
That's the way you want to think about your student loan. You want to spread that money out as much as possible and don't spend it until you absolutely need to.
So, to make sure you've got at least something at the end of the year, we're going to take you through the basics of managing your money. Step 1. Grab a notepad and pen. Write down your incomings and outgoings, things like your loan, any job wages, and then costs like books, food, rent, bills and transport. Once you've done that, you can figure out how much money you have at the end of each month to spend on luxuries like travel, shopping and nights out. Give yourself 5 minutes every Friday to check your bank statement online as well. Watching your money go down will kick you into touch better than anything else, and you can look out for any charges that might have appeared.
One place students lose a lot of money is food. Believe it or not, this is a massive cost.
If you're not careful, you'll end up being sucked into the buy one get one free offers and discounts and end up losing money on food you won't even eat.
So, the best way to be food savvy is to always write a list. I know, it's a bit lame writing a list, but you can always do it on your smartphone if you want to look a bit cooler.
Whichever way you do it, make a strict list of the meals you're likely to eat in a week and just buy what is needed to make them. See if your housemates want to chip in into a group shop each week too. That will save you even more if you can split the bill.
Another cost is transport. If you commute regularly to uni, then it's well worth getting a student travel pass. And if you haven't already, get your mitts on a young person's rail card. This will save you a massive amount off all your rail fares.
After you've done all that, it's time to hit the high street. There are student offers absolutely everywhere, so make sure you find out where gives you the biggest discount before you decide where to spend your cash.
And always flash your student ID card. Some shops will give you discount even if they don't advertise it.
Obviously, making money is just as good as saving money when it comes to any budget, and there are loads of ways students can do it.
Try starting your job search at your own university. This is a great place to get a job because they understand better than anyone that you need flexible working hours. You could work in shops, music venues, the student union, anywhere you fancy. Just check the jobs board.
But if you don't fancy that, you can make money online. Start off by selling old course books that you don't need any longer. A top trick is to advertise to students around your campus first. Then you won't have to pay postage like you would online. Finally, the golden rule is to remember when to ask for help. If you're ever in financial difficulty, just shout up.
Worrying about money on your own can really weigh you down, so just talk about it with family or friends, and make sure you visit your university as soon as possible to get some free advice and help.
But remember, all of this advice is just to help you out. University is a massive boost of independence where you get to call the shots.